how to fix login errors on the Uber driver app. If you're having issues logging into your account on the Uber driver app, not the Uber app or riding or eating app, but the driver app, there are a couple of reasons why this could be happening. First, we want to make sure it's not the issue with the internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch the cellular data to see if that's the case. Then second, you can also simply open up settings on your Android phone specially. Then from here, you could go to the option that says apps after you scroll down. Then from the apps section, you can tap on the search bar from the top right. Then you can simply search for the Uber driver app right here. Now from here, what I want you to do is simply scroll and look for the option called storage on your Android phone. Then go to clear cache option that you can see from the bottom right here, and also make sure to clear the data. If you're on iPhone, you won't find clear cache or data, but you will find the offload option, so make sure you offload the app. Now after you've done that, also open up your Play Store and check if you have any sort of updates for the Uber driver application. And if there is an update, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And even if you do all of this, you're still not being able to log in, then chances are you might not have signed up for Uber driver, because Uber driver requires a separate sign up because you have to license it, or it could just be that your credentials are incorrect if you've already signed up. Then you can tap on the continue button right here. Then you can tap on none of the above if it asks you to continue with the same phone number. You can, if you have linked with your Google account, you can select continue with Google or continue with Apple and so on. But you can also select enter phone number or email option here. Just make sure to enter the phone number or email address that you have used for your Uber driver account. Then tap on continue. It's going to basically send a verification code to this email, and once you receive and verify the OTP code that was sent, you should be able to log into your account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.